recording also, so that those people who missed it out, they can just go through the recording. All right. So today in this session, the session is scheduled for 30 minutes. In this session, we'll be covering 3 strategies. The first one is time reversal, how to take a trade using the time reversal, how to enter and how to book, how to keep stop loss and book profit using the time reversal. And the second one is weekly level, how to trade using the weekly level. And the third one is pressure date, based on the dates which we can forecast in advance and take trade accordingly. So let's begin with time reversal. So let's start with the 1st Feb. Okay, on 1st Feb, so what you need to do is first you have to have a TradingView account. Those who do not have a TradingView account, please open a TradingView account. It's free. So now change your time frame from 5 minutes default to 1 minute view. So I'm selecting 1 minute. So now let's go to the 1st Feb. So 1st Feb opening value is 17534.95. So this is 7th Feb. So let's move on to 1st Feb. So this is 1st Feb. Okay, here. And we have a few more people joining in. So this is the 1st Feb. You could see 9:15 at the bottom. You can see when I keep my cursor there, it's showing 9:15 1st Feb. So the opening value you could see here. I will move my cursor back. See the value. The value, opening value on 1st Feb is 17534.95. 17534.95. See 17534.95. So using this value, I have a sheet which would give us the time reversal time. So I'm just copying this value, opening value, and I'm entering here. Okay, I'm pasting it here. It gives me a time reversal at 2 hours 10 minutes. So this we have to divide in the minutes. So 2 hours 10 minutes. So in an hour 60 minutes. So the time starts, the market opens at 9:15, 9:15, 10:15, 1 hour, 11:15, 2 hours, 12:15, 3 hours, which is 180 minutes. So 180 minutes plus 210, which is another 30 minutes you need to add. So 12:50, 12:45 would be the outcome. So 12:15 is equal to 3 hours 180, add another 30 minutes, 12:15 plus 30 is equal to 12:45. So our expected time reversal on 1st Feb is at 12:45. Now let's go back quickly and see what happened. Did it work or not? So this is 1st Feb at 12:45. So that is 12:45. Okay, so now I'm going to mark. So all you have to do is at 12:45, mark a line. Where is 12:45? Here. So 12:45, mark a line. So this time reversal, every day in the morning, I share it to my teams, to my premium group member, as well as to my students and to our free group member also. What you have to do is, as soon as you get the time reversal time, you mark it on your trading view and wait for the time to come. So at 12:45, so let's assume that early morning, based on the opening, we know at 12:45 there will be a time reversal is expected. So what we have to do is we have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so 12:45, we mark the line, the vertical line, and then from there we have to wait for 5 minutes, followed by 4 candles, 5 candles totally. So because this we are seeing in time frame of 1 minute, so in this 1 minute we have to wait for 5 minutes. I'm sorry. Someone, can you please mute? Sorry about that, guys. So we have to wait for 5 minutes, okay, which would be the 5 candles, 1 minute. So we have selected for 12:45 followed by 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this 5, we have to take this a low value. So the low is here. So let's mark low, and the high is this candle. So now we got a levels here. So now after marking this levels, we have to wait. See the low is at 12:48. You could see the low value here. Okay, we have 4 more people. Okay. Say here, you could see the low value. When I move my cursor over there, you could see at 12:48, the low value is 17542. 17542. You can mark a line over there, 17542, and keep that as a candle. And the high is here, so mark it and keep it. So now we got a range here, so we have to wait. So after this, you could see a breakout. See, as soon as this line it breaks out, it started to fall. So what we have to do is we have to mark and we have to wait to see which side it's going to break. So based on the levels, we can take an entry. If it is going to break upside, we can buy C. We can get into the C side. If it is breaking downside, we can buy P. And the stop loss should be the vice versa. Example here, it's clear breakout. So here it's breaking out. So we can enter here, and the stop loss should be kept this blue line, which is very, very minimal. So in case if we lose maximum of 500, because Nifty one lot is 50 quantity and maximum you can keep is 10 points. So you can measure this from here to here is total of 46 points in Nifty index. So in C side, it can be a maximum of 10 points. So example, if we are entering here, the stop loss should be just 10 points. We keep the stop loss here, and you could see it has never came back to this line. It never hit the stop loss. From there all the way, let's see how much fall. 300 points fall. So the risk is very minimal and the profit is maximum profit. It's just 300%. Okay, so this is for the first Feb. Okay, so likewise, every day you could see early morning, I'm sharing the reversal, expected reversal time. Using that reversal time, you don't have to trade in the morning just based on the hopes. Just wait for the reversal time, because this reversal is more of the direction. It will tell us where the Nifty or the bank Nifty is going to go at that, from that time of reversal. Based on that breakout, we can take an entry. Now let's move on to the next day. Okay, 2nd Feb. 2nd Feb I have marked as yellow. The reason why I have marked as an yellow is because the time reversal fall at 242. The market start at the morning 9:15 and it closed at 3:30. And I've always told my team and my students, never trade anything after 2:30 p.m. because anything after 2:30 p.m. most of time it will be end in flat. So now let's see if that happens or not. On 2nd Feb, our opening value is 17707.55. Okay, so let me copy this. I go back to my sheet and I'm pasting the value. So what is the reversal time I'm getting here? 3 hours, 27 minutes. 3 hours is nothing but 1:15, 2:15. 10:15 is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours. So 300 is nothing but 2:15. And then we need to add another 27 minutes, which would come from 2:15 to add 27 minutes, which would gives you 2:42. So now let's go and see what happened on 2nd Feb. So let me remove this line quickly. Okay, let's go on 2nd Feb. So this is the 2nd Feb. the bottom, you could see here it's showing 2nd Feb. 2nd Feb, 9:15, opening value is here. You could see here the opening value. The opening value is showing 17707.55. I repeat, 17707.55. So that's the value we have got. And the reversal expected time is 2:42. So let's go and see at 2:42 what happened at 2:42. So here it's 2 p.m. Here it's 2:42. So now we can, like I told you, see from 2:42, this is 3:30, market closed. So from 2:32 to 3:30, like I said, it's flat. It has not given any breakout. It has just moved in a tight range, a range of, let's see how much is this range. This range, you see, just 22 points. So in this 22 points, it has dragged for almost 50 minutes. So those days we avoid trading. So whenever there's a time frame, the reversal time frame comes at any time above 2:30, I tell my team to avoid those days. Those days we will not be able to make any profit because the Nifty, the index is going to be in sideways, and when it's in sideways, the premium will decay no matter whichever side. In case you buy both the sides C and P, still you will end up in loss because it is not moving anywhere. It is just in a range. Now let's move back and see what happened on third. Okay, third value, opening value is 1776, and the value comes to 14, and the time reversal is 9:27. So let's go back and take this opening value. So my opening value, my reversal time comes at 14 minutes. So market opens at 9:15. From 9:15, add 14, which is another 15 minutes, which is nothing but 14. If you add 9:15 plus 14 will give you 29. Oh, let's see what happened on 20. Yeah, 9:29. So let's go and see on third. So let me take off this. Let's go to third. Okay, here is the third Feb. So our opening value, you can see the value here. I'm keeping my cursor there on opening. At the bottom, you could see 3rd Feb 9:15, and on the top, you could see the opening value 17776.75. 17776.75, and it gives you a time reversal of 9:29. So let's mark 9:29. 9:29, where is it? It comes here. Okay, so what did I say? From the reversal time, you have to wait for 5 minutes, which is nothing but another 4 candles or 5 candles, because we are seeing in time frame of 1 minute. So now we need to wait for another 5 candles, starting from this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the lowest is this candle, and the lowest value comes to 170. Here you can see the lowest, L stands for lowest, 17731. Okay, so we can mark that, use this horizontal lay, and here mark it, and then use the higher value within this 5 minutes time frame. Whichever the candle is high, take that value, and whichever is the low, take that as a lower value. Mark the lines and be ready. Okay, so we mark the levels. Now see what happened. See the magic. Exactly, it break down, and from there it started to fall, and then when it came back again, it touched and it acted as a rejection. It never went to our stop loss, because if we are going to take this as a PE call, our stop loss should be this, which is a minimum of how many points? Let's calculate this. Minimum of 20, which is hardly what? And see, 5 points, a maximum 10 points. 10 points, keep a standard of 10 points. Quantity is 50. 10 into 50, 500. So if you lose, you lose just 500. And see what happens on that day. I'm going to change it to 5 minutes, and I'll show you the magic. On third. See, from there, it has fall like anything. Let's see how much points from here all the way here. 250 points. Is it amazing? See, from here, the moment it break, it fall all the way and it touched the weekly levels. Okay. The reason for sharing you on this reversal strategy is because every day I might not be available to give you calls. So I don't want you guys to be dependent on me. I want to create independent team and independent people to make profit, so that every day in the morning when I give you, share you the time uh, reversal time, you can just mark it on your chart and wait for the period, that time to comes, and then draw these lines in 5 minutes and then take an entry and book the profit based on the weekly levels, which I will take you and I will show you the weekly levels in the next. Let me move on. Okay, so this has worked. So now same thing we have tested. I have shown this on for the 4th and 27th also to the previous, because we are running out of time. I've just scheduled it for 30 minutes. Okay, so we have another 12 minutes. So let's move on to the weekly levels. So weekly levels. Okay, so this is how you guys trade with the Nifty time reversal. So you would have seen me sharing the time reversal every day in the morning. Sometimes, most of the people were wondering, what is this? Rafi keeps telling time reversal. What is going to happen? Time reversal is nothing but it is a time reversal where it will give you a guidance. It will show you as a guide where the Nifty is going to go from that reversal. And definitely time reversal has worked 90% of the time. All you have to do is you have to wait, draw the line and wait at the reversal time, and then take a trade based on the line. If the Nifty is breaking up upside, then your stop loss should be this blue line. Okay, if it is going down, your stop loss should be this line. Okay, let's check one more time. Okay, on the time reversal for 27, so that you get an idea. For 27, the time reversal comes at 128. Let me quickly go to 27th date. Okay, this is 3rd. Let's go on to 27th. 27. This is 2nd Feb. Okay, this is 31st Jan. This is 28. Almost there. 27. Okay, yes, we have reached 27th. 27th. Okay, 27 starts from here. See at the bottom you can see the date and time. 27th. Okay, 9:15 opening value. Here you can see the opening value. The opening value is 17070.90. And what is the value we have? 170.70. 170.90. And the reversal value comes at 2 hours 53 minutes, which is nothing but, if you calculate 2 hours 53 minutes from the opening time of the market, which is 9:15, it would come to 1:28 p.m. So now let's go back and see what has happened at 1:28 on 27 December. Let me mark. This is 27 Jan. So at 1:28, 1:28. Okay, sorry, 1:29 I have marked. Let me move it to 1:28. Okay, 1:28. So here, 1:28, what should be? We have to wait for 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have got the high and low in the 5 minutes time frame. So this will be our low and this will be our, so this candle, right? This will be our high. So we have marked it. Now see what has happened. Beautifully, it has worked. Exactly, it gave a breakout. From there, it has again take. So remember, whenever it gives a breakout, this level will act as a strong support. So again, it took a support from there. It has gone and it has touched, it has kissed the weekly level 10 decider. came down, then again went, touched the weekly level 10 decider, came down, and the third time it gave a breakout and it has given a move from here. You could see from here, 163 points movement from here from our time reversal. We know exactly on 27 Jan morning itself, I gave the call to my team that at 128, we can expect a time reversal, and exactly at 128 from there, something has happened and it has gone all the way here. Okay, now let's go back and see how the weekly reversal happens. Okay. Okay, let me remove this. You guys would have seen my weekly levels, which every week on Sunday evening, I share Nifty weekly levels, Bang Nifty weekly levels. Okay, this weekly levels will really help the positional players where who cannot afford to sit and do intraday trading, like you have office, you cannot focus, keep monitoring, because when it comes to options, you have to keep monitoring, and because the price keep fluctuating and there will be huge crazy volatile. Okay, this will be a very good option for the positional setup players. Now let's see, this is the weekly levels which every week I have shared. You could see every week. Okay, starting from, you could see I have the past data also here. So let's see, I share this weekly levels every Sunday. So here, what is the weekly level I have given? These are the 3 supports and these are the 3 resistance. So, and this is the trend decider. Trend decider will tell you which side the direction will go. Now here, this is the value 1708989.5. So this is what I have marked, 17089.50, and the reversal is 17081. You see, these are the 2 levels. So basic, what you have to do is you have to plot every Sunday. I will be sharing this level for free. All you have to do is you have to mark this level in your trading view. Okay, so and wait for the Monday. So here, S3 15 15827 15827, followed by S2 16308 16308, and then followed by S1, which is 16605 16605, and the same thing with the resistance, 3 resistance, 1756. You could see 1756, and the third one is 18343. So you mark this, and now let's go and see what happened on Monday. Monday was 31st Jan. Okay, now 31st Jan. This is 1st Feb. Okay, now I'm going to put a line on 31st. Okay, 31st 9:15. So all you have to do is, like I told you, Monday, after plotting this my weekly level on your chart, wait for Monday first 15 hours or 1 hour. Okay, if you want to have a safe bet, just wait for 1 hour candle to close. So see where it is closing. Anything, if it is closing above this green line, it will go up. Anything which is closing below this green line, then it will go down. So here the Nifty has opened here. Okay, you could see it is above the green line. It opened as a gap up and it never came down. It went till the R1 and R2. So same way, if it is opening below this and after 1 hour you're seeing Nifty is trading below this green line of my weekly level, then you can go for this P, and your target can be this and this. And your stop loss, keep the stop loss a very minimal stop loss. If you're buying CE, your stop loss should be the below line, which is just 10 points. 10 points, keep as a stop loss, buy and forget it. Just wait and see. it will go and touch the resistance 1. If you're going for P, same way, keep the stop loss this line. This 2 lines should act as a stop loss. Vice versa. If you're going for CE, keep the lower line as a stop loss. If you're going for PE, keep this upper line as a stop loss. Now we have another 3 minutes. So let's go and take a look at the third concept, which is pressure day. What if I tell you we can forecast a day in all the stocks and in Nifty, in commodities, in Bitcoins, in cryptocurrency, where we can forecast and we can take trade based on the days, where you don't have to trade every day. So now let's take a look. These are the days which I have calculated just to show you. I have hidden it here. So let me see. I have all the dates here. So now the current date is we are going to focus from this year. So let's see from the Nifty, what happened on December 19th? So I have marked it down as December 19th, 5th, 25th April, and 12th May. These are the upcoming days, okay? These are called pressure days. These days, we can expect a huge moment in the... I think we are running out of time. Okay, let's just alert. So let's see what happened on 19th December. Let's go back quickly. 19th December, I believe it's a public, it's a holiday. 19th December falls on Sunday. See, 19th December falls on Sunday. So 19th December is what the calculation shows, 19th December. But 19th December is a holiday. So we have to take the next day. Next day is nothing but 20th. So I have marked it on 20th. And you could see from 20th, if we have just marked this candle high and low and take an entry, see what happened from here. Non-stop Nifty has gone up all the way here. Same thing on 5th. See, it has gone. Now next upcoming days are 25th and 12th May, which you can mark and you can see what happens on 25th and 20th. Now let's see what happens on Bitcoin. On 8th December, I knew this and you won't believe, let me share you that. See, this was forecasted on way earlier. 8th December, see, 8th December, from 8th December, Bitcoin has tumbled down all the way to till here, which is almost 18,000 points. 18,000 points. And I knew it. And you won't believe, see, I'll share you a chat, which I had it with another group. And I told them about this. So a person asked me also. Judgment Day. See, on 12th Feb, one of our team member asked in another group, Judgment Day. For that, I said yes. Yes, 8th December is a key day. And I waited on 8th December, the next day. You see the red candle? I knew it is going to go down. So I closed all my positions, my long positions in Bitcoin, and I booked my profit. And I knew it will come down, and it came down. And again, I have entered here. Again, this is playing at a 10 decider level. So again, remember this level, this green line and red line, until this Bitcoin is above this green line, which is 32,558, bulls will be active. It will be an uptrend. And when the moment it goes below this red line, which is 32341, bears will dominate. It will start going in the downtrend. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin we have seen. Now let's see on last thing on the Dow Jones. It has worked for everything on Dow Jones. Let's see what happened on Dow Jones. Dow Jones on 18th. Okay, let's go and see Dow Jones. You have to make it fast. We're running out of time. Dow Jones is day is 18th, and the day 18th Dow Jones, I believe day 18th of December is Saturday. Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so both days market. We don't have markets on Saturday and Sunday, so that's why I have selected 20th. So see, from 20th, you could see a movement in Dow Jones, and it has gone all the way up. And then again, what happened? The next forecasted date was 4th Jan for Dow Jones. So 4th Jan, I see I have marked the high and low of 4th Jan candles, and you could see from 4th Jan, it started to fall down all the way down. If you could measure, you could see from here a point fall off almost 3,600. You can see. Same way, guys. So using this pressure days, you can forecast, you can calculate in advance what will be the next move. So the next move for Bitcoin is expected somewhere on 25th April and 11th April. If you see one more thing, same thing has happened with stock also. So Tiger Logistic, I'll show you a classic example of Tiger Logistics. Tiger Logistic were trading around 67 rupees. And I share this call to my team and my students from 67. See what has happened. See, the expected date was on 14 December. And before to the 14 December, it was when? 9th. 9th. 9th August. 9th August. And then 26th August. See, 9th and 26th August. From there, this is the place where I have given the call to the team to enter at 67 rupees. From there, it has gone non-stop and it has achieved all our targets and there's no turning back. And see here again on 13 December, from there again, it started to go up. And the next dates in Tiger Logistics are 20th April and 7th. So I'm forecasting, this stock can go up to 900. All right, guys. So that's it. We almost covered everything, all the three strategies, starting from time reversal, how to take a trade using the time reversal, which every morning I share the expected time to reverse in Nifty. And then we saw the weekly levels, how important are the weekly levels, which I share and give to you guys in advance. On Sunday itself, I provide this weekly levels. So these levels will help the office going people where they don't have to sit and do intraday. Just mark this level and wait for Monday first hour. And based on the first hour, the levels and the trend deciders will give you the direction where the Nifty is going to head. So based on the first hour closure, you can take a call on the C side or on the P side, and the stop loss should be your 10 decider, which is very minimal. So if you are going to go for the 10 decider as your stop loss, then you can lose this 500 rupees. That's it. If you're going to trade with one lot, if you're going to go trade with multiple lots, then I'm not responsible, guys. I'm here. I'm helping people to make profit, make extra money apart from their salary, so that they can, it will help them. And other things like, how to calculate these dates and this weekly levels and time reversal, all these things have been covered in the advanced course. I'm not kept this in the basic because in basic, if I add this, it will be too much for them. So those who are interested to learn all these things, please subscribe to our advanced course. We have 4 admins. You can reach to any of them, or even you can reach to me anytime. You can ping me and you can know more about the course. And this upcoming this month, we have scheduled a weekly, we have scheduled a basic course for the beginners on 19th and 20th of Feb, where you can, get in touch with me or any of the admins to enroll your name. And the course fees is 2,500, where you will be covered starting from the scratch, like, what is Nifty, what is stock market, how to plot support, resistance, and how to trade in options, what are the options, futures, different type of contracts, everything basically from, if a person has a zero knowledge, I would recommend to go and subscribe this basic course, because the basic course will start from the scratch. It will cover everything. So after and this course is for 2 days, and it's scheduled on Saturday and Sunday, each day 3 hours. So on Saturday it will be 3 hours from morning 10 to 1, and Sunday again 10 to 1. So total of 6 hours would be covered in this course. So this course will give you an idea how to take trades. I think pretty much I covered everything within the stipulated time which we agreed. I think if we have nothing else, I will stop the recording so that this recording can be helpful for other folks who missed it out.